What's good, y'all? It's your girl, Simone, back again with another video. Welcome if you're new to my channel, and welcome back if you've been here before and you're part of the gang. So today, we're doing a little makeup video. Yeah, a little makeup video. So I was going on YouTube, as I always do every single day, and I saw a video of this girl doing clean girl makeup, or like everyday simple makeup. And I want to have me a simple everyday makeup look, not to do every day, but just in case I want to do it, you know, just pull it out of the pocket every now and then.
What is that, bro?
Because usually I just do like lashes, lip liner, and lip gloss, but you know, a little foundation cause feel blush, you know. I'm gonna put the channel of the girl whose video that I saw right here. And yeah, let's get into this video. Alright, so she started with moisturizing her face that was dry, and you know my nose get real dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my CeraVe lotion. She's a lip mask as well, but I don't own that, so I use my lip gloss, my Emerald Award lip gloss, you know, because it's real moisturizing and everything. I just put like a very thin layer just to keep them moisturized, because I hate them the makeup tutorials with the dry lips. I be like, girl, you saved the dry chapped lip because you're doing a lip look at the end, girl. You could put a little Vaseline or something, girl.
Pick me up in my dreams. When you find me in my sleep, I'm dreaming. You come behind me, remind.
I guess this is my priming situation. So this is just my bare face, okay? Nothing, okay? Okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair back using my little headband thing. It's a little dirty, but don't look at that. She started with eyebrows. I just got this eyebrow pencil. Usually, I just use this for my eyebrows. It's like clear, and it helps like shape them and everything. But I don't know. It's just, I don't really be seeing the effect. So we gonna try out this eyebrow pencil and see how it goes. She want this.
I need 7 o'clock in the morning. All I want you to do.
Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. We gonna make this look like something. That look bad. That don't look too bad. That don't look too bad. Okay. Y'all, this look bad. Please tell me. Don't let me live a lie. Alright. So this is what we got with the brows. That don't look too bad. Look, my eyebrows in bold. Okay, we moving on. Okay, so next she lined underneath her brow. Like, she didn't do all that. She just did underneath in like a thin little line. Alright, so I'm gonna be using this concealer, and I'm using the Real Technique brush number 300, the deluxe crease brush. I don't know if this is the right brush to use, but it's the only one that looked like what she used. So like I said, I'm following what she's doing. Alright.
Every time I try to resist, you can get away. Come chase these feels and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because it's away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Okay, moving on. Next, she used foundation. Hopefully this stuff in my shade, y'all. I have not went to shop for makeup since I don't even know. So this is Black Opal in the shade Beautiful Blonde. So she used like 2 tiny little drops on, you know. So I'm gonna use that. I don't know how this is gonna go. Is it gonna squirt?
Does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know. 'Cause your time is money and I'm
Next, she went in with 2 concealers, one darker and one lighter. So I'm gonna attempt that as well. She did some under her eye. On her chin. Under her nose right here. Her forehead. Okay. I usually do a line right there, but I'm following her tutorial. Oh wait, she did too. Okay, got a little scared. All right, so that's the darker shade, and we're gonna go over top with a little bit of the lighter shade. I'm gonna use this brush to blend it out, and then she went in with her beauty blender.
Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me doing their faces and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing.
Am I tripping? Where did it go? I'm gonna put a little more. All right, I think that actually worked that time. Hopefully, I'm not tripping, but I think it actually stayed that time. Like, you can still see a little bit. So maybe as we go on with the process, it will blend out more. Moving on.
So next we're doing cream blush.
So I don't have orange cream blush. I have this pink putty blush from Ella. So I'm gonna just use that.
You find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me.
I mean, it's showing up on this side. I like that I did a little more on this side. I feel like this blush is very buildable. It's not like the most, you know, not potent. You know them blushes that show up from like the tiniest dot? This is not one of them. Yeah, I hope I'm not looking crazy, y'all. Alright, so the blush is on. What's next?
Are we turning up? Are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party.
I feel like I look. Wow. We're gonna keep going though, y'all. We're gonna keep going. So I got this powder. She is powder contour, so I'm gonna go with what she doing. I'm gonna do what she do. Okay, let me see where she put it.
Going with the Mocha Mommy's bronzer.
Now she is bronzer. I don't have bronzer. Wait, I do. I think I do. This is Sculptor, but it's bronzer. This bronzer.
The bronzer as a quick nose contour, like I usually do, just to warm me up.
So she put that in basically all the same places where she put her what is it called? Contour. So we're gonna do the same thing. So instead of using actual contour to contour, she used bronzer. Alright, and then she did powder blush. I don't really have powder blush, but this resembles powder blush. I think it's eyeshadow, but who gonna stop me? Who gonna stop me? Okay, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Next, she move on to the lips. See, I do my own thing with my lips, but I'm gonna see what she do. Just I'm not like jumping to conclusions. But yeah, I know how to bust down some lips. I know how to bust down some lips. We can do a little bit of gloss since we already did a full face. That's a trick just in case it get all on the inside. Go ahead and bow. Yeah, I can't say that she did not do. Get your little cream, little highlight in this color right here. And you, my friend Jonna taught me this. It's an exclamation point in your nose. So go bow and then bow. And just blend it in a little bit. So simple, but it gives. And she didn't use setting spray. I don't know why, but she didn't. But I'm gonna use some setting spray because we can take all the set we can get. Right. Let that dry. Alright, lashes are on. I'm actually liking this. And it does give like real chill. It don't give like, oh my gosh, she's trying to look glam. It gives like, oh, she threw a little bit on. The blush ain't too much. I really don't like the whole concealer light look, but this actually is pretty good to me. This is real good to me. The eyebrows don't look bad, y'all. Yes. This is really it. I'm gonna give you a close up. Yeah. Y'all need to try this look for yourself. Try this look and comment down below how it worked for y'all. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure y'all are updated when I upload videos. Because if you're not updated, what are you doing? What are you doing? Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Comment what videos y'all want me to do next. Make sure y'all like, show some love. Follow my socials _j.simone on Instagram and TikTok. And I will see y'all in the next video.